This was empty, just like the other one.
Everywhere around the world, people take care of themselves. Only in America, we don't know how to do anything.
12 bees, it's their entire life's work, makes 1 teaspoon of honey.
I've started a new program called Young Farmer Starts. It's people giving of their time and sharing their skills with young children. And the harder I make it, the happier they are.
You guys can get in your groups and we can get this day rolling.
We're teaching kids where their food comes from, how it actually grows, the hard work that goes into it.
By running children through real life experiences, they get a mastery and an understanding and a compassion. You get kids to love being alive.
This vote is for the budget, just to be clear. Everybody's
Join us and let's keep the school open and let's keep this community thriving.
I have never seen any human being that was able to impart some skills on that you didn't watch their anxiety level change as having skills in doing something. They found belief in oneself was easier.
Why do you think they get so restful up against your chest?
They get like the bump up. Yeah, like you're not.
Right?
When people come in and say that it's not a good education, they don't see it. They don't see the kids coming here once a week and farming. They don't see the value of teaching a kid how to plant a seed.
My father used to say problems are great opportunities in disguise. Well, if you take away all your kids' problems, they have new opportunities.
As a civilization, we have needs to be met. My goal in all the programs I've developed is to have a child that feels like they belong.
This one's for apple picking. Okay. Here's the level 2 one. This one's for sheeping. Another sheeping one. This one's for making fires.
So you can make a fire. How old are you?
7.